Health benefits of Soursop. Welcome to Healthline Champions, your go-to YouTube channel for empowering health information and transformative remedies. We are dedicated to championing your health and well-being, bringing you the latest insights, expert interviews, and practical solutions to help you thrive. Whether you're searching for natural remedies, nutritional advice, or tips for a healthy lifestyle, we've got you covered. Today we're diving into the incredible health benefits of a tropical fruit that's sure to make your taste buds dance: the soursop. Now, soursop may not be the most popular fruit at your local supermarket, but trust me, it's a hidden gem packed with a whole bunch of goodness. So, let's peel back the layers and explore the health benefits it has to offer. First up, soursop is a natural immune booster. It's bursting with vitamin C, which helps strengthen your immune system and ward off those pesky colds and flu. So, if you're tired of feeling under the weather, grab yourself a soursop and let it be your fruity shield of defense. Soursop to the rescue. Take that, sneezy germs. But wait, there's more. Soursop is also a great source of antioxidants. These little warriors combat free radicals in your body, helping to reduce the risk of chronic diseases and keeping your cells healthy and happy. You know what they say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but a soursop a day keeps the free radicals at bay. Now, here's a little secret. Soursop makes an amazing smoothie. Just blend it with some ice, a splash of coconut water, and a squeeze of lime, and voila! You've got yourself a refreshing, antioxidant-rich treat that'll make your taste buds jump for joy. Last but not least, soursop has been found to have potential anti-cancer properties. Some studies suggest that certain compounds in soursop may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells. While more research is needed, it's exciting to see the potential of this tropical fruit in the fight against cancer. Move over, Superman. Soursop might just be the next superhero in town. And there you have it, folks. A taste of the incredible health benefits of soursop. So, next time you see this prickly, green fruit at your local market, grab it with gusto and enjoy the goodness it has to offer. If you like this video, make sure to leave a comment below, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Healthline Champions, for more deliciously informative content. Until next time, stay healthy and keep championing your well-being.